Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Doge Father on Trust Wallet, step by step. Alright, first of all, you're opening up Google Chrome, and coinmarketcap.com is where we will be going to get the contract address. The link is going to be in the description of the video. Doge Father is a token that is ranked 6,908, and it's built on the smart chain network. So we copy its contract address, minimize, and head over to Trust Wallet. Once at Trust Wallet, the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, you paste the address there, activate the coin. As you can see, Doge Father, but there's no way to buy it, so we're actually going to have to use an exchange platform. Once we're at the browser section, we're going to be using PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is the exchange we're going to be using, and you click on this wallet icon right here to make sure your wallet is connected. Once that's done, you click on flow key or whatever shows down there. In the search bar, you paste the address for the Doge Father, click on import, click on I understand, and click import again. Now we're going to be using 25% of our BNB, which is 0.0004. Okay, that's a good amount of Doge Father. Set the slippage tolerance to 6%, 6.0%. Click on swap, click on confirm swap. Smart contract call comes in. Click on approve, and boom, Doge Father has been purchased. Add Father to wallet. Paste the wallet address, click on save, click on close, and now close PancakeSwap and head over to the wallets section, reload, and Doge Father is now on Trust Wallet. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to buy Doge Father, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.